Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the cleanest signal path available on your device because clarity beats fancy gear. Once you have a DAW or recorder app installed, set sample rate to 44, 1K Hz or 48K Hz, and bit depth to 16 or 24. Next, disable system effects and notifications. These add noise. Then, route the audio internally. Choose built-in audio loopback or an app that captures internal playback. Make sure file format is WAV or you will record by rerouting the source into the recorder. This is why we prepared loopback earlier. If you lack a mic, use a line-in or USB interface that supports virtual input or employ an app that captures app playback. These remove room acoustics and keep vocals clear. When singing, play backing track through headphones so the recorder captures only your voice input channel. Once done, watch levels during takes and keep peaks under -6 decibels to prevent distortion. You finish by cleaning and shaping the raw track. Use a noise gate first, then gentle EQ to remove muddiness and boost presence, followed by light compression. This makes the voice sit. Once levels feel balanced, add subtle reverb or delay for space. Make sure not to mask clarity. After mixing, export a 24-bit WAV for archiving and a 16-bit MP3 for sharing. If something goes wrong, check routing and buffer size first. Increase buffer to fix dropouts or latency issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.